Okay, we start the new chapter, chapter 9. Okay, chapter 9, momentum. On your page, textbook page 236, momentum. In this chapter, we have two sessions, 9.1 and 9.2. Okay, what is the momentum? In this session 9.1, we will define what is the momentum. In Chinese, 动量. Okay, it means that this one should be related to the motion. And actually, this one is the definition of the momentum. What is it? Should be related to the mass and the velocity. Look at this. A larger mass, lower velocity. Smaller mass, higher velocity. Okay, from the same metric of the force. This one tells us that if we apply the same force on an object, if this object is larger in mass, then the velocity of it will be lower. Smaller in mass, the velocity will be higher. This one, for your common sense, you should know it. Then the scientists try to define a quantity. This quantity, we will call it momentum. Should be related to m and v. Multiply them together. It means that to find out the product of them. Then we will define a new physical quantities, momentum. The symbol of it, we will use the lowercase p. The unit of it is very easy. Mass, kilogram. Velocity, meter per second. Combine them together will be the unit of momentum. Momentum is also a vector. But why? Look at this. Mass is a scalar without any direction, but the velocity is a vector. We have the direction. Because scalar times vector will be a vector. This one tells us that the direction of the velocity must be the same as the direction of the momentum. Now look at the first example. Okay, example 1. Okay, momentum. Actually, the first example will be very easier one. You just only use the formula, then that's all. But pay attention on the direction of it, because momentum is a vector. Look at the question. This one tells you that the mass and also the speed. Okay, the other one, the mass and the speed, but in opposite direction. Find out the momentum of them. Firstly, focus on this man. You can define it towards the right hand side will be positive. Then after the calculation, you can see that positive, because in this one, the velocity of v will be the same in the direction of the momentum. On the other hand, for the bicycle, okay, in opposite direction, so we can let it negative. Final answer is also negative, okay, because they have the same direction. Both of them will be in negative direction. It means that towards the left hand side. And through this calculation, we can find that the momentum of them are not the same. Okay, they are different in magnitude and also different in direction. What if question? If the bicycle reverse its direction, it means that originally it should be negative 1000. Reverse the direction, then the value will be reversed to positive 1000. To the right at the same speed, will its momentum change? The answer is yes, because momentum is a vector. The direction is changing. Okay, so the direction is changing, then the momentum will change. If the direction without any changing, but the magnitude is changing, the momentum is also changing. Okay, that's the end of the example 1.